Independence Day speech for students. Good morning to one and all. Respected headmaster, teachers, SMC chairman, guests, and my dear friends, happy Independence Day to all. My name is. I am studying in 3rd class. My school name is MPP School, Boksampalli. Today we are celebrating Independence Day. India got independence on 15th August 1947. We remember great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Bhagat Singh on this day. We should respect our nation and proud to be Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you one and all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Mohan G Educational.